Here we are. This is the boutique I told you about.
This one, it looks really nice from outside.
I know. I've been wanting to bring you here for ages.
So, do they have all kinds of styles here? Or is it mostly trendy stuff?
They have a bit of everything. Classic, casual, modern, and some really bold pieces.
Oh, that's great. Let's go inside and see what they have. Welcome back, ma'am. It's lovely to see you again. What can I help you find today?
Hi, I'm looking for something for a family celebration. We both want to buy something, but let's start by finding something for my sister.
Of course. Is it for a birthday, a wedding, or another special occasion?
It's for a dinner party to celebrate our grandparents' wedding anniversary.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Is there a particular style you're looking for? I usually prefer something simple and elegant. I don't want anything too flashy or uncomfortable. Certainly. I'll show you some designs that are simple, elegant, and perfect for a dinner party. I really like this section. These dresses are much more my style.
Yeah, this section is definitely more your style.
Take your time and have a look. We have several new arrivals in this section as well.
I like this navy dress.
It's nice, but don't you think it's a little too plain?
No, I actually like the simple design. I could dress it up with some jewelry.
What about this one?
The cream-colored one?
Yes, it has a little more detail without being too flashy. I like it. That's one of our latest pieces. The design was inspired by classic evening wear, but it has a modern touch.
Really? I think I'd like to try it on.
Of course, ma'am.
While you're trying that one on, I'm going to look around.
Don't go yet. Stay with me. I want to know what you think when I try it on.
All right, let's find something for you first, and then we'll start looking for me.
Sophia, what do you think? Is it too simple for a dinner party?
No, not at all. It suits you very well. The cut is simple, but it gives the dress a polished look.
Okay, I think I'll go with this one.
Great choice, ma'am. I'll keep it aside for you.
Shall we look for something for me now?
Absolutely. Let's see what we can find.
Actually, I have a dress in mind for you. Come with me, and I'll show you.
Wow, you really do know my taste.
I do. You've been shopping with us for a while, so I know you like bold and eye-catching styles. I think this one might be perfect for you.
Oh, wow, I love it.
You haven't even tried it on yet.
I don't need to. I love the color and the design. It's so me.
Isn't it a little too much? People might think you're the one being celebrated.
That's not a bad thing. I like standing out. I'm definitely going with this one.
Of course you are. I knew you wouldn't leave without finding something bold.
And I knew you'd find something simple.
I guess we both found exactly what we were looking for. Although, next time, I'm choosing the store.
At least we agree on one thing. We should definitely come back here next time.
If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos.